this is Preeti from Reality Mansion. Today I'm gonna give you an epic tour of this ultra luxurious penthouse. This is a 13,500 square feet penthouse with 6 bedrooms, sauna, steam, hot tubs in bathroom and a terrace of 3,500 square feet overlooking to a 9-hole golf course. But before that, let me give you a brief about the Catriona project by Ambience. As you can see, I'm standing right here in the middle of the golf course. This is a 9-hole, 3-par, night-lit golf course spread over 33 acres designed by Nelson and Howard. As we look around, we get to see these 10 towers. Every tower has 11 floors, a reception, a waiting lounge with powder room and 2 passenger lift and a service lift. And the Tower A has a golf club by Catriona with card room, a pool table and a restaurant. And Catriona also provides an optional elite membership by Leela, which provides amenities like gym, spa and swimming pool with complimentary breakfast and evening snacks. Ambience Catriona is a part of township called Ambience Island, situated 0 km from Delhi on NH8 in Gurgaon. Ambience Island is 135 acres mixed land township which has Ambience Mall, Hotel Leela, a food court named Hawker Street, 3 banquet halls, the Ritz, the Riviera and A. 2 corporate towers and another residential property called Ambience Lagoon. So let's just start our tour. As we enter this penthouse, we see a very spacious foyer with a beautiful chandelier. Now the main highlight of this penthouse is its living area. The beautiful living area, which is 1200 square feet with Italian marble flooring, which comes along with the home automation system through which you can control your curtains, lights and fans. This apartment comes along with VRV air conditioning system in each and every room. This living area comes along with this bar area. This is basically made up of ebony Burma teak wood. Then comes the dining area, very royal dining area. This dining area is connected to this balcony. The balcony, which you can just see, has an overlook of the golf course. As we move further, we come along with the personal family lounge. Then comes the kitchen area. But before that, you should have a look to the puja room. This kitchen comes along with these beautiful spacious cabinets and you also get fitted chimney along with it, the hob, the oven, fridge, microwave. This kitchen also has this pantry area or the storage area. This is the utility area which comes along with the dishwasher and washing machine. Then comes the balcony which opens up into the Rajokri Hills. Now let's just start our tour to the bedrooms. Here comes the first bedroom. This bedroom is right now converted into a spa room which comes along with the spacious cupboards, as you can see. As you can just see the wooden flooring over here. Then comes the washroom which is very spacious and comes along with the sauna, steam and a hot tub attached to it. This bedroom is also attached to a balcony which opens up into the Rajokri Hills. Let's just have a look to the second bedroom. Here comes the second bedroom which comes along with a cupboard. This bedroom is also connected to the balcony which we just saw was connected to the other room. And the spacious washrooms, as you can just see behind me. This washroom is very spacious. This washroom also has cupboards fitted to it along with the bathtub. Then comes the master bedroom of this luxurious penthouse. So this is the master bedroom of this penthouse. The very spacious master bedroom, as you can just see over here. This bedroom is also connected to the balcony which we saw earlier was connected to the dining area. This bedroom is also connected to the walk-in closets. Then comes the master washroom, which comes along with 2 wash basins, 2 WCs, 1 bathtub, and a shower attached to it. Now let's just move to the study area. Here is the study area, which has a wooden flooring to it. Now comes the powder room. Then comes the fourth bedroom of this penthouse. This also has a balcony attached to it, which opens up into the 9-hole golf course and has washroom attached to it. Let's just go upstairs now. So we also have a living area over here, as you can just have a look to it. A very spacious living area. You can utilize this area as per your need. There is also a sitting area over here. Then comes the fifth bedroom of this penthouse, which has cupboards attached to it, as you can just see. This bedroom also comes along with a washroom, which has a bathtub along with it. So this is the sixth bedroom or the last bedroom of this penthouse, which is right now converted into a gym area. This comes with a powder room and a bathroom attached to it, and very spacious cupboard over here. Now let's just move towards the terrace. This terrace is 3,500 square feet, overlooking towards the golf course, and you can just enjoy all your parties over here. This area is very spacious, as you can just see. This terrace area can be customized as per your need. So this was the tour of 13,500 square feet penthouse. If you have any queries, you can just call on the number mentioned below. And if you like this video, just press the like button and subscribe to our channel, Reality Mansion.